Chika Minute. Bao ang kanyang revelasyon tungkol sa kanyang matagal ng karelasyon. Sino nga ba? Alamin natin. Ayon sa aktres, si Donnie Pangilinan. Honestly, sabi niya, I don't think I've met any guy like Donnie. I think the best part about him is he's not say or ashamed to show you like how much he cares for you even the front of other people. Kahit sabihin na nila sa kanya na masyado kang in love dyan, masyado mong mahal yan, wag ganyan, dapat cool ka lang. Pero he's not like that. He's just very loving to the highest level. Like grabing mag-alaga. Never I encountered anyone like that. Like pumapangalawa siya sa nanay ko. Basta kakaiba talaga. Kaya minsan nagugulat na lang kami. Grabe talaga. Literal one of kind. And maswerte ako sa kanya.